All right, today's a huge day for the RV. We are gonna rip out the entire bedroom, throw in some bunk beds, and while we're at it, why not rip out the bathroom and redo that too?
Can we do it? We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
Try something new every day. 6 years ago, we got rid of all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
So hit that subscribe button and come along on the adventure with us. We only get one life to live, so let's live it up. This video is brought to you by Cogler. We can't wait to show you what we got. All right, so I'm kind of torn. I knew this was gonna happen. I don't know, why does this happen?
So this bedroom has been a part of our lives for the past 6 years. 7 years. Sky always says one more year than me. But ever since we moved into the RV, this has been like where we come to hang out. We lay back here, we snuggle back here, we wrestle back here, watch movies, and like we're gonna tear it out and build some bunks back here.
Which is better for the kids.
Yeah, way better for the kids. But I just want everybody to remember out there, you know, sometimes change feels a little bit weird at first,
awkward,
but then once you get through it and you try something new, it ends up being better in the back end. So here we go, guys. We're getting ready to try something new. Let's go!
I am so excited because I get to finally have my own bed. So yeah, I'm really excited. Teeny bit sad. I'm gonna miss this old bed.
All right, guys, before we start the bedroom, I think we should take a minute to finish up the bathroom. All right, when we first bought the RV, there was a bunch of delamination here in the bathroom. There was a big leak in the skylight up here. So we had to rip out the whole bathroom, the bathtub in this enclosure, and replace it and replace all the rotten wood. So here we are, 7 years later. There was a leak in the bathtub. I fixed it, but now this little enclosure right here has got to come out. So it comes off pretty easy here, like this. But yeah, that's the idea. Pull out the old one and put in the new one. There we go. There's a good demolition day. Look at that.
Oh, I love when they come off in big pieces like that.
Title. Oh, that's safety first.
Right, what about you?
I love ripping stuff apart. So, yeah.
All right. I think we're getting a little crazy. This is the new shower enclosure. I feel like Austin Powers in here.
Oh my God, you look like Austin Powers.
All right, we're close. Ryder, I need some caulk on the walls.
Oh baby, hoping dada. Uh-oh. Okay, how's it going?
All right, I don't know why that's such a high stress situation. I think because you know you got limited time. And once the glue sets, there's no turning back. I left this one done because I still have to hook up the water on the backside. So we had to drill some holes in here. It's good, we got a winner. Button this thing up and get on with our day. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna have to do is rip out these side pieces right here, which are custom foam that we had made. So we're gonna rip these out, rip out the mattress, and after we rip out the mattress, we're gonna take out the whole base. So that's the journey. Let it begin. Cut to time lapse. Sure is tight in here. All right, this is always the fun part. This mattress is ginormous and the hallway is tiny and the doorway is even tinier. So to get a 10-foot mattress down an 8-foot hallway through a 6-foot door, real interesting, real quick. All right, give it a good push. 3, oh.
If there's a will, there's a way, there's a wonderful.
You know, sometimes it's embarrassing to put what the bottom of your mattress looks like on social media, but that's what the bottom of our mattress looks like. We're 10% there. Let's do this. All right, guys. What the heck do we find back here?
My wall comforter!
Holy moly, what are we gonna do with all this stuff? One thing that we might have underestimated here was this is our storage area. So it looks like we might have to throw all this stuff away. What do you guys think?
Okay. I'm cutting it open because we don't have enough room to get it out of the RV.
Oh. Half of the bag. Nixie, what's going on back here?
We almost got the bed cleaned out.
The entire bed, under the bed cleaned out, huh? That's pretty good. How you feeling?
We're remodeling it.
All right, so that didn't even take long. So I feel really good.
How long did it take?
I think less than an hour. But the only thing that my brain starts to go, cannot compute, is all the stuff that is now outside and in the front of the RV that we have to figure out what we're gonna do with, because we have zero storage space anymore. Zero. We're so excited that today's video is sponsored by Cogler. Cogler custom made these mattresses that we're using in the new bunk beds. Cogler delivers in 3 to 5 business days anywhere in the continental US. All of their products are all made in America, and they do a lot for our veterans who are now truck drivers. The thing we really like about Cogler is they specialize in RV and semi-truck mattresses, so you know if it's good for professional truck drivers, it's gotta be good for us.
So the kids got to sleep in these last night and they said they were absolutely amazing. I laid down on them for a couple hours and they were so comfortable.
Super comfortable. And you know, when you live in an RV, a lot of times you have to compromise comfort for size because not everything fits in an RV. And especially, we didn't even know what size these bunk beds were gonna be because we custom made them to the space, which made Cogler so awesome because we literally told them the specs, they nailed it out and had them shipped to us within a few days. We got the Road Cloud mattress, which comes in 17 different sizes and variations. Just click the drop-down menu to see them all. Or if you can't find the size that you need and you need something custom like we did, just drop them an email with the size you need and they'll make it for you. So if you're in the market for a mattress, we highly recommend checking out Cogler. You can find their website down in the description below.
Let's get back to making these bunk beds. The day before the remodel, we had to make a run to IKEA to get a bunch of small miniature furniture to fit in our small little space.
All right, so it's a tradition that every time we come to IKEA, we have to eat.
And it's only like $1 per meal, so get 2 meals, guys.
A hot dog for $1?
What? This is $1? $1? A collar for $1?
A cinnamon bun for $1?
A yogurt cone for $1?
A coffee for $1?
This is only $1? $1? Water for $1?
A pizza for $1.
You know what? I just beat the dollar. We got a veggie dog for 75 cents. All right, so we got 6 hot dogs, 4 veggie dogs, 2 pizzas, cinnamon roll, 5 drinks for $21. Are you kidding me? We're eating it. Oh, and we got 2 smoothies too. Guys, we should have IKEA date nights all the time.
We're getting this couch.
All right, so something we never really understood about the IKEA shopping carts is they go every which way. I think we have a change of plans. We're just gonna get each kid one of those little guys and just stack them on top of each other. Oh, did you make a mistake? You have to go back this way? Oh, let's go. Oh, actually, we're going the wrong way. Oh, no, it's okay.
All right, we got a new desk in full effect. Whoa. I don't know what happens inside of IKEA, but I felt like we just came out of a time warp. I don't know if we were in there for 2 hours or 14 hours. We've eaten 2 or 3 times.
8,
Gone to the bathroom at least 6 times.
20
Our
times.
RV's over this way, so. There we go. That wraps up phase 1 of the RV rebuild. Now we get to go on to phase 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Sometimes I really think that we forget that we live in an RV. We forget that. After IKEA, I had to head over to Home Depot to get some wood and some paint. The total with IKEA and all the supplies here is about 350 bucks. All right, so I don't think I'm very good at math anymore. I don't know, but we're getting it. We had to cut a piece, test a piece, cut a piece, test a piece, cut a piece, test a piece, but I think we're getting there. It's getting dark, so that's always fun. I called in the kiddos to take a look at my progress to see what they thought, and you can definitely tell their personalities right here by their reactions.
You should already have these planks on. Not much. You'll have to get it done more.
You did it! Whoa!
All right, so just spent the last hour and a half in here getting this thing lined up, dialed up just right. All my cuts, everything looks good. And then I screwed some parts together wrong. So now I got to unscrew it and
You did?
re-screw it in the right way.
You did? Get out of here. All right, so I just heard that Jimmy has some pieces screwed wrong. And it's funny because before I came in, I go, it seems like a little backwards way of doing it, babe. And but I go, what do I know? I don't know what's going on, right? And so, yep. How we doing?
Good.
Yeah, so
So after about 15 minutes of hard thinking, I figured it out and I got the bed screwed together the right way. All right, we had to shut down the saw for the night because it is officially 9:30 at night. I cut a whole bunch of pieces. Hopefully they fit. You can check them out right there. And yeah, we're gonna spend the rest of the night here just screwing around.
lots of screwing.
Lots of screwing around. Hopefully it all works out. Out my hand. I've got some motivation now. It's starting to look like a bed. We got top bed, middle, and bottom down here. So, triple bunks are coming into effect. We had to go this height because we didn't want to rip out this cabinet right here. I'm happy. Let's do it. Keep going. All right, so hold on.
So what we're doing is I'm going in the middle, and Nixon's going in the top, and Skylar's going on the bottom.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
So we're still having a massive debate on who's gonna sleep where. And if anybody who has anybody who has a family,
Going to the top.
No, you're not, Karen.
I'm going in the middle.
I'm going in the middle, Nixon's going on top, Sky's going on the bottom.
It just started raining.
All right. Oh, what are the chances? I checked the forecast. It didn't look like any rain. And all of a sudden we hear on the roof and we're like, ah, everything's outside. So yeah, mad dash to get everything. Thank God the awning's out because that just saved us. I don't know what else we would do with all this junk out here.
all the wood's out here.
All the wood.
Mattress.
All right, so we got our Cogler mattresses. We tested out the one so far and it feels amazing. Nixon is in love. The other guys have been trying to sleep on hers and she's like, no, get off. So we're gonna unravel it. Right. Yeah, it's all covered right now. Good. Whoa,
Hey,
there it is, right?
All right, what do you think, buddy?
There it is.
There you go. Oh, look at it blow up. Look at it blow up. I love this part.
Already.
I'm next.
Oh my gosh. You know, the thing that really trips me out is they send these whole things in the mail and you get them like within a couple days.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Are we doing an unboxing, Sky?
Yeah. Look at it. Put that on the camera.
And put that on the camera, Ryder said, and watch it get air in it and then it's gonna come alive.
Oh,
Look
ready.
at that. It's ready to go.
No,
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
The coolest thing about Cogler and ordering these mattresses is they can make them any size you want, totally customized, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. And we got happy kids.
I'm finishing up the bottom layer of slats. Drill the perfect holes.
time to bring the mattresses in.
Here we go, guys, the moment of truth. See if the mattress fits. Oh!
Perfect.
Whoa!
See, mine fits now.
All right.
Oh man, what do you think next?
Here we go. Mattress number
Okay.
2.
Whoa.
This is, I'm gonna have to draw on the bottom of her mattress.
Oh,
go.
is it nice?
Mattress number 2.
Holy
got a
moly, guys, what's happening?
Don't put your feet on though until we get a sheet on, okay?
Whoa!
Holy moly. Guacamole.
I love these so much.
Oh.
Ryder doesn't necessarily want to be on the bottom, I think is what's going on. What if I sleep with you every night?
I love it.
Alright, we got one winner right here. Nixon Ryder, what do you think?
I am in love with this bed.
Love with the bed, and Ryder's spot's down there, but he's hanging out. Alright, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I am fried. It's about 12:30 in the morning. We got room for the kids to go to bed, so we're gonna go to bed. It turned out absolutely amazing. We're gonna put the finishing touches on in the morning, but it's time to go night-night, get some rest, and get back at it tomorrow, because we gotta get to NASCAR.
Let's go! Put your hand over the camera. Put your hand over the camera.
All right, we're back at it earlier this morning. I'm building a ladder, putting on a few more guardrails, then we're gonna get to painting this thing. So. All right, give me 5. Give me 5. Round 2, here we come.
Hey, yo!
Hey, what are you doing over
wiping down the walls because we just sanded where all the liquid nails were from the previous thingy platform. So it's hotter than heck up in here, but it's good.
We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. It's getting really hot out though. 24-hour challenge.
Sleeping.
Oh my goodness, it's all in your hair, Ryder. No, it's not. Silly guy, it is.
Wait,
See your hair. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's rub it in. Oh.
it's all in my braids.
Wait as long as you can get. All right, coat number 1 has been applied. We're gonna go eat some lunch, come back, smack up coat number 2, and then we're ready to start doing the next step.
I just made salads for everybody.
All right, so the kids lay down in here and they go, you know what? I don't want to see wood when I look up. I want everything to be white. This is taking an extra hour and a half, so I hope you appreciate it, kids. Daddy's doing something good for you. There's a lot of spots to get in here. We're almost there, though. We're almost there. All right, look behind us. We just got done watching the paint dry for 3 hours, and now we're ready to put the mattresses in. The bunks are done. They're painted. They're bolted to the wall, and the air just came on. Let's turn off the air.
It's so hot in here that
Oh
you
my
have to literally turn it
goodness,
off
like
because
90,000 degrees, but we want good audio, so we always keep turning
you
off the
can't
air.
tell that we are sweating profusely right now.
Sandy, what happened to your head?
I banged my head so hard right here. Boom!
All right, so what's up with the mattresses, guys? They're in. What's it
I
feel
love
like, Sky?
it.
Feels
I
good?
love it so much.
Oh my gosh, it looks perfect. Next, how does yours look? Oh my goodness, look at those pillows you guys got. Roll Riders down there.
Hey,
Ryder, look at this mattress. You guys are so lucky. Triple bunks.
Well, you know
in
what?
the bedroom.
I have to say, this was done in under 24 hours. The rip out, the build, the painting, everything. So, Team Phelan, we killed it. Cogler for the win with the mattresses. And I think these kids are ready to rock and roll. Let's go.
Now, we got to grab all your bedding and get the beds made, and the rest of the RV looks like we got robbed, so we got to go clear that out real quick.
Honestly, it looks like somebody ransacked this RV.
Let's see.
But
Let's see what you got.
So,
Oh my goodness, should we be showing this on social
oh my
media?
God.
I
You
think,
know
I
what?
think it's actually good. You
You know,
guys,
it's real.
300 square feet, ripped
So
out the bedroom.
everything that was under, we had storage, huge storage under that mattress on both sides, literally wall to wall with storage. So we had to find a place for all of that now. Either tossing it, giving it away, or I don't know, squeeze it somewhere. But this is the situation right now. Tomorrow we leave for NASCAR, so this has to be 100% dialed in because once we get to NASCAR, we want a nice home. We don't want it to look like this.
2 hours later.
Have you gotten any further yet?
Yeah.
Let me see. What have you done over here?
We did most of it. We're a little delirious.
Oh my goodness. Right now, it's 10:30 at night on day
Your
2.
face is cut off, honey.
Yeah, let me buck it down a little bit. So guys, we busted
I have
our
these two.
butts. Oh, your goodness. We busted our butts for the past 2 days, trying to get this thing
Literally, it's
dialed
been
in.
24 hours, a little over 24 hours. Thing.
Oh, I'm so
And it
happy. It
worked.
feels so good. All
So-
right, guys. So whatever you do, guys,
man.
even
What do
if
we
it's
say, guys?
awkward at first at the beginning, it feels better in the
Oh,
end.
Ryder's gonna kill himself.
So whatever you do, guys, get out there and
Try something new!
Okay, well, I'm
And-
gonna go to sleep now.
I think that everybody's tired. It's what time?
10:30 at night.
It's only 10:30.
It's only 10:30.
Oh, last night we were up till 1:30 doing
And
this.
if you need some mattresses, check out Cogler.
Oh, Cogler!
They sponsored this whole video.
Cogler!
They're
Please,
amazing.
let me tell you, these mattresses are really so
Yeah.
comfortable.
I'm gonna sleep back here tonight instead of out
I
there.
think, yeah, we're gonna trade the kids.
You're funny.
Let's go. We got a lot more work to do. Yes, guys. 1, 2, 3. Triple bunks. All right, Ryder, send it off.
Whatever you do, get out there and try something new.
Sky,
Try something new. Woo!
Sandy.
Oh yeah, try something new. Right up my nose.